Hi everyone, so today we are going to propagate wandering Jew. I have two varieties. This is the one and this is the one. Yeah, so what we will do, we will take the cutting of these. Do you see? So we can just remove the leaves. Yeah, it will come by itself. Yeah, and you can put in water. Yeah. One more cutting I can take from here and then remove the leaves and put it here. Right, now coming to this one, we will try to take a long one. Yeah, do you see? And then just remove the leaves. Yeah, remove most of the leaves, cut it like this, and then you can put it in water. Again we take one more from here. Right, we just cut the leaves, yeah, and then put in water. Right, so it will be like this, and you can place it in a sunny spot. Next, one more thing you can do is take the cutting, take some of the cuttings, and then you can just remove the leaves. Yeah, and then what you can do, you can just try placing it in the same pot so that it becomes bushy. Yeah, yeah. And that's how it's done. It already has water, and I'm going to water it. Hi friends, giving you the update of my wandering Jew cutting, which I had cut last week. In direct sunlight. Showing you the update of, see, the roots have come up, and the other one also, the root has come up. It is kept in indirect sunlight. Yeah?